It's early Saturday morning, and while the family's still asleep, I'm off to check out a big cruise ship coming in. You need to see this fortification. Very cool. This is cannons that they put into the ground to tie the boats onto. Here it comes. So now it's going to turn around on its axle. Let's see if I can get some good drone shot of it. Amazing. Check out these old chaps having a morning catch up. Never mind that, check this view. Life is not always easy, but one needs to focus on counting your blessings instead of your problems. Hello, what are we going to do now?
Yes.
Which one? This one? What's wrong with it?
It's broken.
Okay, so you need to get an Allen key that fits in here.
Just one here.
Okay, this bearing is completely broken. Right. Very good.
The other side. Yeah, it's easy. Alright, tighten it there.
Go left. Tell me, are you faster than me?
Yes.
How much?
Really, I go over the line.
I will have to check, hey? We are on our way to a candle festival in Bergu, and then the kids is already there. I came back to drop some jackets and now return, hopefully find them, because there's a million people there. Someone trying to take a shortcut down the stairs. That looks like a party bus. I remember back in my young days, one of those was amazing, good memories.
Step on it! Whoa! Worth it!